Okay guys, so on a Benelli Montefeltro, what you do to remove this magazine plug in the silver tube, first thing you do is you take this piece off the end. Take that off. That'll allow you to take the upper receiver off. The entire portion will come off, and just set it aside. And then what you're going to want to do, grab a set of pliers, and you see how right here it's notched right there. Grab a hold right there and turn counterclockwise. You see this little notch right there? When you put this back together, these two lines have to line up with each other. So you take that out. Careful, the spring's going to pop out on you. It's a long spring. This will come off as well, and then this right here will be your actual plug. Remove this guy. Make sure you keep this, don't toss it. Just in case you ever need to sell the firearm, you can include this with it. And then basically you put everything back together. This goes in first, like that. That goes in there. And then you're going to take your spring. Your spring will go in after that red plug is in. Then you're going to tighten everything back up with this and make sure to line up the notches. It's going to be just like that. And then you put the lower receiver back onto the upper receiver. And last but not least, take this plug back again, screw it back, make sure it's tight, and then you've got the maximum capacity on this shotgun, which I believe it's 4+1 if I'm not mistaken. So that's about it. I want to show you guys one more thing. If your buttstock is moving right here, mine was moving right here, left and right, what you do is you take out this pad, and you just go ahead and just pry it out from starting from the bottom. And it'll actually just come out like that. And then what you do is you take a half inch with a little extension so you can reach it. See, it's right there. That's the bolt that goes all the way through this buttstock and connects with a rod to your lower receiver. So all you do is just tighten it right here, and then once that's tight, you'll no longer have movement right here. That's it, guys.